Hello friends, here's how to change your Instagram bio. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First, you need to open the Instagram app and log in with your Instagram account details. Then, in the bottom right corner, you'll notice the profile option. Tap on it and navigate to your profile page. After going to the profile, in the middle area you will find the Edit Profile option. Tap on it. Here you will find the Bio option. Tap on it. Now here you can change the bio from to at. I change the bio. I've noted my YouTube channel name here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel How to Sex. Now, I've included Instagram in the bio section. After you write this, you'll notice a Done option in the top right corner. You can also tap Done once you've finished writing the bio. And that's the method to change your Instagram bio. And that's how you change your Instagram bio.